Hey Kuya Adi, meet my friends, Erica and Sandy.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
It's nice to meet you. So, why are you here in this place?
Well, we just wander out ourselves.
Yeah, in fact, we never knew that Rina is also here.
Would you mind if I go out with them?
Why not? At least I've been safe.
Well, you should have thanked them for that.
Okay then. Mag-go ba ka to the dormitory? Don't forget to text Ma that you're hanging out with your friends. Go home as early as you can. Be safe.